In this video, we are going to explore the topic analytical method verification. There are some terminologies like analytical method development, analytical method verification, analytical method validation, and analytical method transfer. So out of these, in the current video, we are going to learn regarding analytical method verification. So either there are methods available in the pharmacopoeia or these methods are required to be developed. Whenever the methods are available in the pharmacopoeias like USP, the methods are required to be checked and verified. The analytical method verification is the process or procedure to check the reliability of the method. USP chapter 1226 provides the verification of compendial procedures and guidelines. The purpose of analytical method verification is to verify that the compendial analytical procedure performs as expected when used in a specific laboratory. And this USP chapter provides guidance for method verification. Key points are verification is required even if the method is from an official compendium like USP. It ensures accuracy, precision, specificity, and suitability of the method under your lab conditions. We need to check and verify the reliability and workability, you can say, for the compendial method. This analytical method verification helps to detect variability caused by equipment differences, analysts, or environmental factors. Importance of the method verification is it prevents inaccurate results and non-compliance with regulatory expectations by confirming the method's applicability in your lab. Once again, we will see the method verification. So, reason for verification is to check whether the methods are working suitably across the laboratories or not. Verification ensures the method performs reliably with your specific equipment, analyst, and the conditions. There are different references as per the regulatory authorities, and USP chapter is there which provides guidance for verification of the analytical method. Example, different column types can cause variability unless these are verified. So methods are required to be verified. As an example, we have taken here the raw material testing. So can we depend on vendor COA without testing the raw material whenever we are going to use those raw materials in our manufacturing? So the answer is no. We need to check the raw material though it is provided by the vendor's COA. Regulatory requirement is identifying the material. Identify testing, or you can say identification testing, is mandatory in-house before raw material release. And simply like that, methods are required to be verified. There are guidelines provided by the US FDA in 21 CFR, EU GMP, and in the USP chapters. So example is even with the COA from GMP vendor, labs must perform identification test like IR. Difference between method validation and verification. So these terminologies are generally used and we should know the exact meaning and differences. Validation proves the method suitability for intended use. Like it provides you the suitability considering the accuracy, precision, while verification confirms the compendial method works as expected in your lab environment. Example is validate new HPLC method for excipient versus verify the USP method for raw material assay. When is full method validation is mandatory for raw materials? So answer for this is for non-compendial or in-house developed methods, the full validation is required and is mandatory. References for these are ICH guidelines, US FDA guidelines, and 21 CFR. Purpose is to ensure reliable and reproducible analytical results. For example, if you are not done the verification and there might be certain ranges or differences because of the changes in column, changes in the analyst, and changes in the labs. Example, UV method for sodium citrate, not in pharmacopoeia, it requires full validation. So this is just an example when full validation is required. Guidelines supporting the method verification, USP chapter 1 to 6 is there for verification of compendial procedures. ICH guideline Q2, 21 CFR and GMP guidelines are there. So there might be observation from the regulatory authorities if the verification is missing. Then how to perform method verification for USP method? So key parameters are required to be tested, which are system suitability, specificity, precision, and accuracy. For example, we have taken here a API paracetamol. System suitability is required as per USP criteria. Precision, repeat 6 injections for getting the precision or for justifying the precision. And accuracy, recovery at 80%, 100%, and 120%. Specificity, check the placebo interference. So by this, you can verify the method and say that the method is working suitably, reliably or not. So mainly the system suitability, precision, accuracy and specificity are the parameters, or you can say the key parameters for testing. This is the understanding and information about analytical method verification. Thank you for watching the video, and I request you to please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.